Today's topic. Yesterday we actually covered bar graph, we had covered line, and we had covered pi. The reason of covering all these three in one class was actually to make you understand that the script remains the same. Okay, in the beginning you tell the topic, then you say what is x and y axis, and then you give high, low, what is increasing, what is decreasing, and then you give a conclusion. You can add similarity if you think there is time, but if you think okay, time is running out, no need to add similarity, just give high and low. In pie chart, what we did, we said what is the topic, okay, which is the highest, then which is at second, then what is ranking at third, and then if you still want to include some more you can, otherwise just give a conclusion. Now in today's class we are going to cover table, process, and a picture, any picture that comes in. Okay, strategies, I told you that we will majorly divide our complete content of describe image in three parts. Yesterday I have told you that you have to majorly divide your content in three parts, which is your introduction, your body, and your conclusion. Okay, you should use notepad that will be provided to you, in which you will quickly write down, not the topic. ओके आप टॉपिक नहीं लिखेंगे, आप इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं लिखेंगे. व्हाट यू शुड क्विकली राइट डाउन इज बॉडी एंड कंक्लूजन. कि आप कंक्लूजन में क्या बोलोगे, एक छोटा सा वर्ड्स लिख लें, 2-3 वर्ड्स. और अब बॉडी में क्या बोलोगे, हाईएस्ट क्या है और क्या नंबर है उसका. दिस यू शुड प्लान आउट इन 25 seconds. Okay, now look at this table. So starting with today's class, that is table. Now how you would describe table. In table description, describe the title of the table and categories. Again, you can say the given image shows the information about, or you can again use the statistical data reveals information about a table, okay, which shows percentage of children with different educational problems in 2 primary schools during, please include the year, during 2005 and 2015. So give the table, tell the topic, title of the table, and include the categories also. Okay, so you can say 2 schools, which is school A and school B. If you want to read as it is, you can read as it is, and say during 2005 and 2015. Then tell the 3 key features, what do you observe, and quickly in those 25 seconds. So let's take 2005 ka calendar, and in school A, what I can observe, what is the highest over here is, if you see these two things are highest, 40 and 42. So during 2005, school A was leading in concentration in lessons and following instructions. So these were the 2 major problems with school A in 2005, whereas school B had the problem of, school B को किस चीज की problem थी, majorly was concentration in lessons. So this you can tell. Okay, the major problems were for 2005 in school A was concentration in lessons, and you can actually say these concentration in lesson was a common problem. You can say anything. बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं सोचनी है, because it will lead to lot of confusion. If you have seen one thing, just stick to that. Another thing that you can also say, coming to 2015, the major problems in the school were handwriting, and another is again verbal expression of ideas and concentration in lessons. Oh yes, concentration in lessons. And overall conclusion में आप key feature बता सकते हो. अगर मैं observe करूं सारा, so what I could observe that concentration in lessons, okay, this particular part, ये यहाँ पे भी high है, ये यहाँ पे भी high है, ये यहाँ पे भी high है at least, और ये यहाँ पे भी high है. So you can say overall, or in conclusion, to conclude, it can be seen that concentration in lessons is a major problem throughout in 2005 and 2015. So this also you can use. आइडियली टेबल को आपने 3 पार्ट्स में ही डिवाइड करना है. टेल द टाइटल एंड द कैटेगरीज. यू शुड टेल द कैटेगरीज ऑल्सो कि आपके किस चीज के कॉलम्स हैं. ओके, देयर स्कूल ए, स्कूल बी, 2005, 2015. की फीचर्स में 2005 के बारे में पहले बताएं, फिर 2015 के बारे में बताएं, and then concluded. You have to be really, really very fast. Okay, look at the second image now. Percentage of mobile phone users using various mobile features. So let's just give you some time to all of you to go through this table. Okay, and you can say anything, but what is important that say something which is high, which is low, explain the topic, and then in conclusion, what do you observe? Okay, so please observe this table first, and then we will discuss on this table. Okay, so please now listen to me. What I want to explain in this table, first we are going to tell the topic, and then we will just say, okay, you know, it is the data is actually from 2006, 2008, and 2010. Up 2006 May, if you just look at the 2006 section, where do you see that the phone has been used highest? We can easily point out that the phone is actually, okay, Nancy, I'll put you on mute, huh? Mega, okay. So what we can see that the phone is majorly, you know, highest being used for making calls. Now, in 2008 and 2010 also majorly used for making calls. So this becomes your first point. Okay, when we explain main features, this become your first main feature. But in 2006, when we come to the lowest, you can see that there was no internet and no video. So there is no data for that, because 2006 May people were not using phone for internet and recording videos. But if you come to 2008 and 2010, people were using phone for taking photos and sending and receiving messages. So iske baad, this is the main reason. Okay, overall may people were using phone for various reasons at certain level. Okay, for various reasons and at certain levels, at certain percentage level, you can use this also. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to play a recording with you. I have done that recording for this particular table. I want you to make you understand that fluency is important. Okay, हम रुक रुक के नहीं बोलेंगे, और this will only work out when you really do a good lot of practice for table description. Now listen to this. Let me put everyone on mute. Okay, going to play it now. The given table shows information about percentage of mobile phone owners using various mobile phone features in 2006, 2008, and 2010. In 2006, people were majorly using phone for making calls, and they never had the access to internet and recording videos. However, in 2008 and 2010, people were using phone majorly for making calls, for taking photos, and sending and receiving text messages. Overall, it can be seen that during the years, the features in the phone improved, and people were accessing these features based on their preference. Okay. So when I was so fast, because I want to ensure that I cover the features, I reach to the conclusion and I include the introduction as well. I completed in like 36 seconds, because last 40 seconds tak nahi jana hai. Okay, so it is entirely to you. If you want to just say 3 sentences, you can say 3 sentences also. If you think you're not so fast, अपना title को बोलें, tell the topic, and then when you want to include body means what is the main part, just include the highest. My major stress will be to tell you that your fluency and pronunciation really matters. Okay. So let's understand now. The next image that you may get in describe image is a process. Okay, process could be anything. It could be a photosynthesis, it could be, you know, it could be a process of, you know, butterfly, how the butterfly is formed, or it could be any process. It could be the, you know, cooking process, how a chocolate is made, how a bread is made. So anything, but usme steps honge, so it will actually have steps involved. So if you look at this process, how we started, the cycle gives an information regarding life cycle of a frog. Okay, so the first sentence can be, the cycle gives information regarding life cycle of a frog. There are 6 key stages. You count the stages. Okay, you may get an image in which there are 10 stages, 12 stages. So you actually, obviously, you can say there's 10 key stages. Or if you want, if you think कुछ major stages हैं, तो आप सिर्फ उनको बोलो, you know, out of 10, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये 5 stages important है, you can use that also. So there are 6 key stages in the cycle. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम, आप बिगनिंग की एक साइकिल बता दें. लेट्स से आई हैव टेकन कि सबसे पहले एग बनता है एंड देन लास्ट में फ्रॉग फॉर्म होता है एंड द लास्ट स्टेज इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्रॉग. The eggs form an embryo which later becomes tadpole. Okay, now what I have done, ये पूरा स्टेप मैंने अपने एक पॉइंट में ही कवर कर दिया. ओके, सो एग्स एम्ब्रॉय को फॉर्म करते हैं जो लेटर ऑन टैडपोल बन जाता है. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इटसेल्फ इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. देन इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, tadpole develops 2 legs and further 4 legs. If you see, now this becomes my second description. And then following this, tadpole से जब 4 legs आ जाती हैं, it forms a frog. So this becomes my third description. So we should not actually try to explain this step, then this, then this, then this. You cannot explain all the steps. So steps को combine करके just say. You should, in a process, what other vocabulary that you should be using, you can say firstly, following this का मतलब है कि इसके बाद, and then in the final stage you can say, in the next step you can say. So you try to use this vocabulary. जहां पे भी आपको first step देना है, you can say in the beginning or in the starting or in the first stage. So you can use these 3 words. Whereas in the second one, if you want to explain further, I'll just write it down for you. And this is specifically that I'm explaining you is actually to explain the process, because process makes cycle involved hoti hai. So when you want to give the first step, say in the first step, you can say this, or you can also say in the beginning. Okay, so you can use these. This could be your first one. And then अगर आपको second के बारे में बताना है, what is the second step, you can use in the next step, or you can write following this. Okay, and then you can also use further. Okay, so you can use these for making the connections of the further steps, and this will be for the first step. And when you have to finally use, then in the final stage you can say, or in the final step you can say, or finally also you can say. So these are all the stages explained. Any doubts so far? I hope clear.
No, ma'am. Yes.
And please take a note of this. Anyhow ये complete आपको PDF मिलेगा इस presentation का, but ensure that you do not mix the vocabulary. अगर process को explain करना है तो you have to use first, next step or final stage. And that's the way, you know, content 5 marks ka tha. This counts in your content. Okay, if you look in my conclusion, in conclusion, the life cycle of frog has few steps. Okay, I want to give a conclusion now. You're running out of time, तो प्लीज सोचो नहीं. आपको कोई भी conclusion देना है, you can just say whatever the topic is has few steps. Okay, that's the reason I made the standard conclusion which you can use when you're running out of time. Has few steps. Now I'm going to show you an image, and in that image what I want from you to understand is first go through the image, okay, and try to find out the 3 main steps, how you can club them together and what are the 3 main steps. Please take some time to understand the process, and then I will explain you that in detail. Okay, so this is the image. I'll still explain you the image. See, it is a process. Actually, simple water collection का process है. ये एक liver है. This could be, you know, a kind of a tree. जिसके साथ आपको एक liver, एक walkway बनाया गया है. You can see the steps here. मतलब कि walkway है. मतलब कि, you know, you will walk through it. So there is a person who is walking there. उसने hold कर रखा है and then he is climbing this walkway. जैसे जैसे वो आगे बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे ये लीवर नीचे होएगा. ओके, एज इट गोज डाउन, द रोप के साथ ये लीवर भी टाइड है और ये बकेट भी टाइड है. और जैसे जैसे वो आगे बढ़ेगा ये नीचे होएगा एंड देन रोप ऑल्सो गोज डाउन, तो बकेट भी नीचे जाएगी. दिस इज द वाटर, बकेट नीचे जाएगी, पानी कलेक्ट होगा एंड देन देयर इज अ पर्सन हु इज होल्डिंग द रोप, क्योंकि जब पानी कलेक्ट हो जाएगा तो पर्सन इज होल्डिंग इट. और जब ये पर्सन, यू नो, एज द पर्सन मूव्स बैक, तो ये अपने आप पीछे होएगा और पानी बाहर आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ वाटर कलेक्शन. ये जनरली जब आपके लेक्स वगैरह होती हैं जहाँ पे पानी कलेक्ट हुआ हुआ होता है, वहां से पानी किस तरह से एक्सट्रैक्ट करा जाए, निकाला जाए. So this is the actually process, and that process is called shut off. Now I want you to make your own kind of a notes or make your own script by using this for 3 key features. Firstly, following this, finally, conclusion में हम use कर सकते हैं that this is a manual process rather than electronic water collection. आजकल क्या होता है, we are using this electronic motors to get the water. Okay, so but this is a complete manual process. It is done by humans. So giving you some time of 1 minute to quickly understand this. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to play. I have already recorded the response for this, and I'm going to play this for you. Please understand and focus. Please understand and focus on the fluency and the steps that I have covered. And I have not used very high vocabulary. No need to even think about the vocabulary right now. So just listen to my recording. The given image is a
process of water collection. It can be majorly categorized under 3 steps. In the first step, there is a person who has to walk through the walkway, and while the person is moving up and down, the lever also rises and falls. With the walkway, in the end, there is a rope which is tied with a bucket and the lever. So as the lever goes down, the bucket also goes down in the water collection, and as the bucket lever goes up, the bucket comes up. So there has to be one person who has to hold the rope. Overall, it can be said that this is a complete manual process.
So it's a complete manual process without any electronic interference. So now I want to make you understand. Let's say you get a process जिसमें बहुत सारे steps लिखे हैं. I want you to make you understand. I never mentioned this. मैंने इसका mention नहीं करा. I have not even mentioned upon this because I just categorized it in 3 parts, which is one is this, the other one is this, and the third one is this. So that these are the 3 parts which I categorized. I didn't notice it, and please do not even think about it. जो चीज आपको easily समझ में आ रही है, make a script of it and just explain this. Okay, quickly let's try doing this. See, this is a process. Let's understand this. This is a process of how to design a new house. So what sentence I can say? The given image shows the process for designing a new house. First sentence done. The given image shows the process of designing a new house. Or simply, the given image shows the design process for a new house. आप उसको as it is भी पढ़ सकते हैं if you are facing problem. Okay. There are various steps involved in designing a new house. In the first step, the client understands the needs through a brief questionnaire and free initial consultation. Once the client understands the consultation and understand the needs, the design and pre-construction is done. Okay, the design and pre-construction is done. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. अब आप इन सब में अपने आप को डाइवर्ट ना करें बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू स्पीक ऑल दीज थिंग्स. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप मैंने क्लाइंट के बारे में बताया and then I combined this together. The design and pre-construction is done. In the final stage, the construction takes place, and finally moving to the post-construction, which is a 6-month maintenance check. That's it. Okay, so 3 steps में आप इसको भी divide करें. Anything that you get, just divide it into 3 steps. Overall, now what you can do overall में आप total number of steps भी बता सकते हैं. In conclusion or overall, to conclude, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are total 5 steps involved in designing of a new house. On to one more type. This, I hope this is the last type only. See, you can get any image. Okay, let's say आपको ये image मिली है. This is called a picture. Okay, and let's see that you have got this picture. Now what we observe in this? So we can observe starting from entrance. आपने घर में enter करा, सबसे पहले आपको क्या मिला? लिविंग रूम. लिविंग रूम में क्या है? डाइनिंग टेबल है, चेयर्स है और सोफा है. एंड देन देयर इज वन मोर रूम जिसमें टेबल है, चेयर है और यहाँ पे विंडो है. ठीक, आई एम गोइंग, होल्ड ऑन, आई एम गोइंग वेरी स्लो, बट इतना स्लो यू नीड टू बी रियली फास्ट, बट अगेन प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. एंड देन देयर इज अ बेडरूम, किचन, bath. So you can simply say that the layout also shows the way the space allocation. एक word use करते हैं हम, space allocation of living area, bedroom, kitchen and bath. And whatever you feel like explaining, आपको kitchen को ज़्यादा explain करना है या आपको bedroom में आप ये बता सकते हैं. There is a bed and there is a sitting area, there is a almirah, there are 2 windows. Whatever you can include in the 40 seconds time. Now see how I have explained this. See, I cannot give you the script for this because pictures or process कुछ भी आ सकता है. So that's the reason I have not given you any script for a process and a picture.
The given picture is a layout of a student apartment. As we enter into the apartment, there is the living area. In the living area, there is a dining table, 4 chairs, a sofa, and a long table with a chair. Next to the table, we can see a window. Moving further into the apartment, there is a bathroom, kitchen, and bedroom, which are all in line with each other. Then in the bedroom, we can find 2 windows, which makes a good ventilation into the whole house. Overall, we can see the space allocation is very much planned and is comfortable as well.
36 seconds. So I actually use 36 seconds. Please, the key to your any good describe image that you should remember how to start, what you should include in the body, and how to end.